Hi, you are now going to learn about a new tool, Goose Chase. It's an application which is available in the web, and teachers can use this particular application for developing games like scavenger hunts. For students to play this particular game, they have to install this application in their mobile phones. We need to first log in. And for developing a new game, you have to click on new game, and the information that you provide about the game is very essential, because when students access the game in their mobile phone, they will be able to see all the information that you provide there, and that will kindle their interest in playing the game. You can give the location of the game, but that is optional. You can provide the password here and click on save and continue. You have to give the mission statements. Assuming that you want your students to develop their speaking skills, you need to give points here. When the students access the game, when they start playing, and when they submit um, their speech, they'll be able to see the points that they have got. You need to click on save changes. You have to add the automation. You click next, and you have to provide the time, that they have to take for giving their talk. Say you are giving them 10 minutes to talk. Now it is ready. Now the students have to be included in the um, portal. So you can either access to the teams, or you can include individual players. By clicking on create new, you can upload the image of the students, their names, and click on create. Once you do that, they'll be able to um, get the notification in their email, and for that you need to send the invite. Once it is done, they will be able to play the game in their mobile phone. When they get the notification, they will be able to access the game, and they need to provide the game code for them to start playing the game. And this is how this scavenger hunt game works.